public company or private company? Is that clear? Or government company? Which type of company you want to register? Number one. Number two, MCA run. Run is what? Reserve unique name. No company shall be doubled in India. If CA Tires is already registered, nobody can register with the same name, CA Tires Limited. Not allowed. So after getting an application from anyone, registrar has to check whether same name has been registered in India somewhere. So company has to provide 3 names. If first name is already registered, delete. Second is registered, delete. Third is not registered, he will allow. तीनों भी registered है. He will write to the company, mail, submit new application for approval of name. Again 3 names. So no name of the company shall be doubled. This is the process. So reserve unique name. Now it is online. MCA 21 portal has simplified this procedure in a very excellent way. पहले क्या होता था? पब्लिक नोटिस देना पड़ता था पब्लिक न्यूज़पेपर्स में. एटलीस्ट 2 हाईली सर्कुलेटेड न्यूज़पेपर्स वेर हैविंग पब्लिक नोटिस कि हम पुणे में ये कंपनी रजिस्टर कर रहे हैं. अभी ये करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. ऑनलाइन 2 मिनट में चेक हो जाता है. Is that clear? Because the database has been centralized by the government of India. So nowadays it has become very easy mode. Drafting of Memorandum of Association. What is Memorandum? Number 1, 3 definitions I will tell. Focus. Number 1, Memorandum is the basic charter of a company. Charter. Memorandum is that foundation stone on which the building of the company is being stood. Number 3, Memorandum is that window through which an outsider can look inside the company. So Memorandum is a public document. It contains 7 clauses: names clause, objects clause, capital clause, liability clause, association clause, nomination clause and domicile clause. These are the 7 clauses contents of Memorandum of Association. I will talk into detail with separate lecture. Drafting of AOA, Articles of Association. What is articles? Articles is a set of bylaws for the internal management of the company. It is a set of rules and regulations for the internal management of the company. Shall I hope it is understood. If public company wants or any company wants to adopt Table A, it can directly certify, declare that we are ready to accept Table A. What is Table A? Table A is the standard set of rules and regulations. कोई भी कंपनी बोलता है we are ready to accept Table A, then no separate drafting is required. Direct they will accept the Table A. But if they want to change any rule, then they will have to draft the separate set of articles of association. Code of conduct, rules and regulations for the internal management of the company. MCA fees payment, Ministry of Company Affairs charges fees which are payable to register of companies. Up to 15 lakhs, there is no fee payable. If the authorized capital of a company is up to 15 lakhs, previously this limit was 10 lakhs, now it is 15 lakhs. No fee is payable to induce people, companies to come out and register, to boost up the industrialization. The government has increased the waiver of fees from 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs. But table of fees you will have to write down in your answer. Fees up to 15 lakhs nil, fees up to 15 lakhs to 50 lakhs, then fees between 50 lakhs to 1 crore, fees between 1 crore and above. This will be simplified in a table. That table you will have to write properly. Is that clear? Stamp duty payable on Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. Okay, what is stamp duty? Government charges. It is rupees 200 for Memorandum of Association and rupees 1000 for articles of association for per 5 lakhs authorized capital. If the authorized capital of a company is 20 lakhs, so what is the fees payable for memorandum? 200 into 4. So 800 rupees will be payable. Am I right or not? If authorized capital is 20 lakhs, the memorandum payable stamp duty will be 200 into 4, 800 rupees. This way. Clear? Weighting of memorandum of association and articles of association. Weighting. What is weighting? Weighting means to check, examine, scrutinize what is right, what is wrong. To weight means to check, to examine the correctness of a document. And register of companies is an authority who will check, who will weight the document. Is that clear? So I hope it is understood. If anything he wants to change, which is not under the provisions of law, he will write to the company, change this content and resubmit. After waiting, he will sign on the first copy of MOA and AOA that certified it is okay. Preparation of other documents. Number 1, power of attorney. For providing aids in registration process, a promoter can sign, certify power of attorney in the name of professionals like chartered accountants and company secretary. जो भी है, so that will be given to, power of attorney will be given to professionals. Then declaration by professionals. I, Mr. X, chartered accountant, certify that I am ready to work as an auditor of this company. I, Mr. Y, company secretary, membership number, is ready willingly to work as a legal advisor of ABC Limited. This is declaration, sign. अभी क्यों देना है रजिस्टर को? Why? If there is legal action to be taken in future, किसको पकड़ेगा रजिस्टर? जिन जिन के डिक्लेरेशन है, फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर्स, सेम वे डिक्लेरेशन बाय फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर्स, पर्टिकुलर्स ऑफ फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोफेशनल्स. So they will be called upon in the court of law. You already given declaration. What is right, what is wrong? Batao. For that purpose. Particulars of subscribers to the memorandum. They are the first directors who signs the memorandum of association. Signatories to the memorandum. They are called as first directors. At least 7 people will be there. Then consent. Consent means willingness. I, Mr. Z, affirms, confirms, declares, denotes hereby that I am ready to work as a director of ABC Limited Company from date. Signature. This is required for legal purpose. Notice of registered address. Corporate office address notice will be given to the register of company as well as into 2 newspapers who are of wide circulation in India. For example, the Times of India, the Hindu, Navbharat Times, Dainik Bhaskar. These are some of the papers which are of wide circulation throughout the country. Then submission of all these documents to register of companies. He will check, he will go through, will check the correctness of the file, all documents, and then he will certify. Certificate of Incorporation. COI. It is registration certificate. COI मतलब Certificate of Incorporation, Certificate of Registration of a company. Company is registered in stage number 2. And last but not least is CIN, Corporate Identification Number. It is a 21 digit alphanumerical code given to a company as a CIN number by which MCA portal will identify, recognize that where this company is registered. So CIN is a 21 digit alphanumerical code which is unique code for all companies registered in India. I hope it is understood. Any question? Any question?